generate URL friendly slugs with Laravel. So here is the code. First let's import the str class which include slug function, which we can use for creating a slug. So it is inside eliminate support, then str, then we do str colon slug, and then we pass our title. So save, and here if we refresh, as you can see, slug has been created. Now let's change this operator. So the second parameter is separator, so let's change it. Save, and let's see. As you can see, it has been changed. As you can see, it works fine. So this is the inside str class there is a function slug which can be used to create slugs in Laravel.